So, firstly, I would like to speak about the fraud and cyber crimes. The biggest problem with the online payment system is the risk of fraud. The hackers and scammer can easily steal our bank details or password if we are not extremely careful. And in day in day out, we hear news about the people that today lost money because of online scams. And in 2024 alone, scammer stole 11,000 crore from the Indians. That's it. Now you may.
Yes. A very good afternoon, my respected teachers and my fellow debaters. Today I am standing here proudly to favor online payment. In a world where time is money, means online payment is not just about convenience or revolution. Let me tell you one thing. If the cash was king yesterday, so online payment is the crown for today, for tomorrow, and for future as well as. First and foremost, online payment saves time. Means in this you need not stand in a long queue in a bank or in any ATMs and all. Just only one click and your money is transferred. It proves that cash was fast, but online is fast. Second thing, carrying money is very risky. Let me tell you one thing. If you have to transfer money to your relatives, to anyone else out of the country as well as, you can share within a minute. Can you do this on your cash? I don't think so. Third thing, 24/7 availability. Online cash is available day and night, weekly day and holiday, even at midnight also. So what's wrong in this? What's the problem behind it? I don't think so there is any problem, as they all are criticizing just hacking fraud. Let me tell you one thing, why is it happening? So what do you think? It is the fault of online payment? I don't think so. It's the fault of people. Firstly, they are not believing on online payment and they are saying the fraud is happening with them. Firstly, you must believe, then cases and fraud will not happen with you. You can speak.
So my second point is about dependency on internet. The online payment system is fully dependent on the internet. If internet is available there, so it can be useful. But in that era where internet is not available or slow, so it is useless that time. And there, even in cities it happens. There are a lot of areas where if there is any internet issue or technical issue, power cut payment, so your payment can be fail or it can stuck. That time what will you do? And that is, suppose that you are sending money, it's a very, that's it, you must say.
Yeah, as she's talking about low internet, so I would like to say just one thing. It's 5G, as Aman has told you so many things about the network. So I would say same thing. And let me tell you one more thing. Carrying notes is very hygienic. You know how many people use the notes? Firstly, suppose I have given the note to a shopkeeper, then that note will go to the another person. I don't know that his hand is dirty or clean. And like this, the disease spread around us. Not only this, but also, tell me just, I'm asking a question. Please give me answer. Is there any country which is developed after rejecting online payment? Is there? There is no. I have answer also.
Okay, now I would like to speak about those areas where internet is not available. So around 700 villages in the hill areas of Uttarakhand where internet is not available, and there are a lot of villages like Odisha, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra. Thousands of the villages are there where even the 4G network is not available. That time, how will they use online payment system?
Okay, let me ask a question one more time. You were talking about the hacking. One thing I would like to ask, if it is that much unsafe, why our government is using that? Why the Reserve Bank of India is promoting that? Why the all banks daily use online payment? Why, if it is that much unsafe? Because we know it is very useful. And as Sabha was saying that, can our India progress like this? She was saying that it cannot happen. I would say without online payment, your country cannot develop.
Okay, as you are saying that it is available every time, so I don't think that, because when we use the online payment system, firstly everyone cannot use, because who are living in the rural areas, they don't know that how to use these online payment system. So it can be difficult for them.
Everybody knows that how to use mobile phone and how to operate how to scroll the video, so they know also how to use.